Hey, it's Nick with Table 19 Media, and I want to show you our new course, the Real Estate Photo, Video, and Drone Master Course. The complete course to show you how to shoot and edit real estate photos and video. Real estate will always need quality photos and videos to showcase a property every time it hits the market for sale or for rent. That means there will be an endless amount of agents, owners, and companies that need photos and videos for their properties. If you are wanting a piece of the action, or even just to do it yourself for your listings or your own property, then this is the course that has everything that you need. You could spend a countless time trying to look up what camera to use, what lens to use, what settings to use, and so on. There's information all over the internet, but how do you know if that information is reliable or even worth your time to read or watch? The Real Estate Photo, Video, Drone Master Course is the exact information, techniques, and skills that I use to have shot hundreds of millions of dollars worth of real estate over the years and make six figures shooting real estate. This course is full of the info you need to choose equipment that won't break the bank and still get the job done, professional settings, and the skills to produce stunning photos, videos, and drone footage that will help sell listings, fill up rentals, and ultimately deliver results to your clients. This course is about saving you time and taking the guesswork out of learning what you need to know to shoot and edit real estate photos and videos. Each video lesson explains the important concepts to know and shows hands-on tutorials using the camera, editing in professional programs, and even flying a drone in real time to capture professional content. This course is not only for beginners just getting started in real estate photography, but also for those that may want to add new skills to their portfolio and expand their current real estate photography business. Even if you are a real estate agent, assistant, property manager, or even a vacation rental owner that want to shoot their own marketing material for their properties, this course is also for you. You'll learn everything you need to get started and deliver quality real estate photos and video. As a bonus, you also get mentor access to me to ask any question you may have during the course. I will answer personally as well as make FAQ videos along the way for everyone to learn from any commonly asked questions. You simply can't lose. The Real Estate Photo, Video, Drone Master Course delivers the information and the content you need to deliver quality real estate photos and video with minimal equipment but in a timely manner. Click the link below to get started, and I'll see you in the course.